Welcome to my YouTube channel guys. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to calculate GST in React Native. So I have set up a basic project. So first I have import text input here. I have add a text input in a blank module and then add some styling first. So first we are going to align our text input as center. So align self can automatically align the text input to center of the page. And then also we give some padding, border width, border radius for rounded corners, and then width and height of text input. After that we are adding a placeholder. And then we are add on change text option. So we need to save our entered data to some hooks. In here we are going to use use state hooks. Set data. So I'm gonna create hooks called set data and get data. Okay, so we got a text input here. It looks good. And then we need to create a decimal pad as a keyboard, because we don't need a text as a input. We need only a numbers. So we create a decimal pad and then create a button. I have already created a custom buttons here, so I have imported that from my components. So here handle indicates on press method. I have pass handle as a property of on press. So here we got a error because get calculator function is not defined here. So we need to create a function called get calculator. Okay, we create a function and we have a button and text input are here, but it looks not good UI. So we just add a margin bottom, so we will get a space between buttons and text inputs. And then here we enter our logic. I create a new variable called result, and then here we need to get the hooks from hooks called a get data. We have stored the data which is we type in text input. So I have get that hooks in a parseInt method. Sometimes it gives a string, so we get an error. And then I'm going to calculate 10 percentage of GST from entered amount. So I have multiple with 10. Whatever amount you need to calculate GST, you can replace it as a 10. And then we have stored a result as a set result hooks. Oops, it's changing. Set result. So now we store calculated data to set result hooks, and then we need to calculate get result hook in a text method because the user want to see the output in a screen. So we show that in a text component. And then now refresh. Yeah, it shows 0 because that hooks has default 0 value. Add some margin. We need to change the margin bottom to margin vertical, so it will apply margin to both top and bottom of the text input. So all are done. We just enter the amount we want to calculate GST and then press calculate button. Yep, it calculates 10 percentage of 50 is 5. So These are the logic to calculate GST in React Native, guys. You can replace with your own coding and your own style. Thanks for watching.